This is an automated inspection and sorting system installed on a conveyor belt. It inspects items using this camera and sorts them using this sorter arm. Why did I start building all of this, you might ask? Everything started when I was working on my previous demo about automated inspection on a conveyor belt, where I realized that the cheapest conveyor belt which I could buy cost 500 euro. So instead, for that demo, I created a conveyor belt impression using sticky tapes, which were pulled by me. But this somehow touched my engineering ego. Like all engineers, I like building instead of giving an impression of it. Honestly, I had never built an electromechanical equipment before, and I certainly made every possible mistake a newbie mechanical engineer can make while building this equipment. Finally, the conveyor belt is ready and it looks great. My final goal here is to set up a system which can automatically inspect and sort items on this conveyor belt. I have made all the parts ready, so let's install them. Our setup is ready. Now it's time to turn on the conveyor belt. Nice, the conveyor belt is working. Now I will start testing highlighters like this one. I will put them on the conveyor belt. As they passes by the camera, it will be inspected. If it's good, then it will end up in the OK box. If it's bad, then the sorter arm will move it to the not OK box. Let's test some more highlighters. With this highlighter everything is good. Barcode on this highlighter is not readable. I added the third category. Let's start from the beginning. Nice, this should be re-inspected again. Exactly, and this is a good one. Nice, everything was inspected and sorted correctly. This video was brought to you by Intellect AI, a developer of intelligent vision systems. If you would like to automate visual inspections in your production line, or would like to collaborate with us in a project, please send an email to info@intellect.ai.